Our group is passionate about the conservation of natural habitats and biodiversity. Hong Kong, located on China's southern coast, has a subtropical monsoon climate that supports a variety of natural habitats, such as wetlands, woodlands, shrublands, and coastal areas. It is home to more than 570 species of birds, about one-third of the total species recorded in China, so this small city is the ideal location for bird watching. Unfortunately, the bird observation sites in Hong Kong are located far away from the city center, making it inconvenient for people to enjoy nature. As a result, our team decided to place a few smart trees in Kowloon Park so that people can enjoy the company of birds even when they are in a park near their homes. We also hope to make a design that both animals and humans could use. Our design is shaped like a tree to make it more attractive for birds to stay. This is why it is located in the Kowloon Park, home to more than 100 different species that have been recorded in the park, and it's a well-known hotspot for migrant birds passing through during spring and autumn. To be more specific, Kowloon Park is a large public park in Tsim Sha Tsui, Kowloon, Hong Kong, and it has an area of 13.3 hectares. This is a suitable place to implement our plan, as the park has a bird lake and aviary dedicated to bird watching. In addition to this, the Conservation Corner, the Color Garden, the Chinese Garden, and the Fitness Trail are all ideal places to observe wild birds. The holes at the top of the structure are where birds are able to enter and exit. The top layer under the mushroom-looking head will be separated from the bottom through a layer of one-way glass, where it is transparent on one side and see-through on the other. The birds will be able to have a warm and cozy environment without much disturbance whilst we can observe them through the transparent side of the glass. The solar panels at the top are for collecting solar energy and transferring it to electricity for the structure to use. Simply put, a solar panel works by allowing photons or particles of light to knock electrons free from atoms, generating a flow of electricity. The structure needs electricity for many different functions, including a number of fans hidden below the mushroom-like head. These fans will help to circulate air through the moss within the pole for air filtration purposes. The trunk part of the smart tree bears the weight of the entire structure. It has a moss-covered net-like wall on the inside for several reasons. Firstly, moss is a natural air purifier, since it consists of countless tiny leaves, which not only form a very large surface, but also attract positively charged microparticles, such as nitrogen and carbon dioxide, due to the negative charge. In addition, moss mainly lives in moist, shady locations, which means that this plant can survive even without sufficient sunlight. The sides of the head help to collect rainwater, where it passes through the tubes below. The water will travel down to the storage tank below ground, where the water can be pumped upwards for the moss to use. The moss will be held up by nets hidden within, where air can pass through freely. Additional poles are also located around the side to facilitate the structure. LED lights will also be hidden below the head, which will turn on during the night. This will help to light up the park for easier navigation. The smart tree will also have a seating area at the bottom for people to sit on, to take rest and enjoy the natural scenery. The structure will be 8 meters in height and 3 meters in width. Our design is related to biomimicry, since it helps to restore air and improve animal habitats instead of destroying them. It is also fully sustainable because all of the electricity it uses will be produced by transferring the solar energy collected from the photovoltaic cells.